In this video, we will show you how to connect Apple Music to Discord. If you guys want to get started with Discord, you can use the links down in the description. First, open the Apple Music app and sign in with your Apple ID. Then click on the For You tab, then select Apple Music link. You'll receive a unique link. Now, click on Install button to download the Discord linking plugin. Once install it, log back into Discord. Here, click on the hashtag pings icon beside your username to access the settings. Under the App Settings tab, and toggle on Use Music Link. Next, open the Apple Music link page and enter your Apple Music link code. After that, click on the Connect button to link your Apple Music account to Discord. Once connected, you can access your Apple Music playlist within Discord. Lastly, click on Music icon in the top right corner of your Discord window to access your playlist. So that's how to connect Apple Music to Discord. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Discord. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.